In our previous video, we demonstrated how we can manage group membership using role-based entitlements and dynamic criteria. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how we can manage group membership with the use of workflow. So to demonstrate this, we'll look at Shayna Moreland's account and notice that in her groups, she's currently a member of the managers group, which was assigned by a role-based entitlement. Shayna is going to log in to user app and request access to the Linux operating systems. And to do that, she's going to request access through workflow. So you can see here we've got a request Linux access workflow. So she will request that and give her reason. And submit it. And in this particular workflow, it's been routed to her manager, which in this case is Troy. So if we log in as Troy, we can see that in his task, he currently has an approval pending for Shayna Moreland, who's requesting Linux access. So if we click on that workflow, claim it, and then we have the choice of denying or approving the access. So we'll go ahead and approve that access. So now if we go back to console 1 and look at Shayna's group memberships, we can see that she's now added to the Linux access group. And if we look at the group, she's also a member of that group, just showing that it updates both the group and the user object. So for the reverse of that, as a manager, Troy is able to revoke that access. So when Shayna accessed her requests, she could simply request access, but in this case, since Troy is her manager, he's able to request a revoke Linux access for any of his direct reports, in this case, Shayna. Now this workflow is what's called a no approval workflow. So no one's having to approve this request because Troy really is both the initiator and the approver. So simply by running that workflow, you can see that the Linux access group is now empty and Shayna is no longer a member of that group. However, she remains a member of the other groups that she would have been a member of prior to that.